today's video, we're breaking down the IONOS AI website builder and how you can use it to generate pages, images, and SEO metadata, all with AI. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wanted to launch a website super fast without staring at a blank screen, this tool is designed to remove that friction. We're diving into really understanding what the IONOS AI website builder actually does, how you can create pages and visuals, and how you can even use AI for SEO. Let's get into it. Let's start off with the basics. What is IONOS AI website builder? It's essentially a tool to help you create a website using artificial intelligence instead of building everything manually. Rather than choosing a theme, designing layouts, and writing copy from scratch, you basically can answer questions and let the AI generate a complete website structure for you. The goal is to help beginners or busy creators get something live really quickly without needing design or technical skills. IONOS also combines this AI builder with hosting, which means your site isn't just a mock-up, it's a real live website that can be published immediately. Now, let's dive into some of the key features to help give you the full picture. So, of course, one of the main features is the website page generation. So based on your inputs, the AI is going to create common website pages like a home page, about page, and contact page. These pages are structured to be usable right away. You're not starting from a blank canvas, like I said. Instead, you really get a foundation that you can edit and refine over time. This is especially helpful if writing website copy feels super overwhelming. You also get AI generated images and visuals. So the builder also generates images and visual sections for your site. This removes the need to search stock photo libraries or design graphics from scratch. The images are placed directly into the page layout so your site looks complete from the start. You can even swap them out later, again using the AI or even using your own photos, but having visuals in place just really helps the site feel real and usable right away. Now I want to touch on the SEO metadata generation. So SEO metadata includes things like page titles and meta descriptions. These are the pieces of text search engines read to understand what your page is about. IONOS uses AI to generate this metadata automatically based on your site content. While it's not a replacement for advanced SEO work, it definitely gives beginners a really solid starting point. This just ensures that your site isn't launching with missing or empty SEO fields. Also, the all-in-one hosting and publishing. So because the AI builder is part of the IONOS platform, hosting is included. You don't need to connect external services or move files around. Once your site is generated, you can publish it directly. This keeps the process simple and beginner friendly. This tool is really designed for people who want speed and simplicity. It's not trying to replace custom design or advanced development. It really is for beginners, solopreneurs, and creators who want a clean online presence without spending weeks building it. If your goal is to get something live quickly and refine later, this tool fits that mindset super well. So now let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. If you want to follow along, we do have an exclusive link down below where you can get signed up with IONOS. Okay, so you can go ahead and get started with a plan. I'll go ahead and get into more of the details of plans later on in the video, but they do have some really good deals going on if you do use our link below. You can even save up to 94%. Okay, once you are logged in, this is kind of what it's going to look like. So we've got domains, email, website, hosting, servers, security, your account, stuff like that. We're going to go ahead and go to website and stores. Okay, so to create one from scratch, what you're going to go ahead and do is create new website. Then you'll go ahead and follow the prompts. So you'll create a website, then you'll go ahead and answer some questions, and then it will go ahead and pop out a completely whole website for you. So the AI generates all of this. As you can see, it's got pictures in there, it's got copy, it's got titles, headlines, you've even got all of these different pages over here. What's cool about the AI, obviously, is that it gives you a starting point, right? If you want to come in here and manually edit stuff, you can. But again, what's really great about their AI is you can use AI within an already AI created website builder, which is so powerful. Okay, so maybe you want the topic of the heading to be something else, or maybe you want to improve it. So we can change the tone of voice to trustworthy. Okay, we can click improve, and then it will regenerate the text. Okay, so then you'll come in here and adjust anything that you need to, right? Even with the AI builder. Okay, so this is where you can see all of the content. So you can manage your sections. This is where you can see all the design. So the colors, you can come and update the fonts. You can come and update manually different shapes. We've got spacing, hyphenation, and then scroll animation. Then we've got all of our pages here. So what's important about these pages that I want to mention is this is where you see the SEO title and SEO description. If you want to come in here and edit it, you can. It's already going to do it for you, but if you want to regenerate it, maybe you updated some things on your actual homepage by hand, then you can come in here and click that AI generation and it will go ahead and redo it for you. Same with the SEO title. You can click generate and it will auto generate SEO tags after it analyzes the page content. So again, it's going to give you a starting point, but you need to use your own words, your own brand. You want it to sound like you. If you want to add a page from scratch, you can go ahead and add page with AI. Maybe this is going to be a gallery. Just show pictures of community at our coffee shop to show how welcoming and almost like a second home or a second place to hang. Lots of remote workers and community. Okay, professional. So then now step 2 is we can go ahead and have different sections in here that we want. You can just add a custom section, an about section. Maybe you just want the image gallery and video. Maybe we want to go ahead and add a testimonial at the end. Okay, go ahead and click next. Amazing. And now it completely did this from scratch. So it says our image gallery on our warm community. Here are all of the images, kind of exactly like we described. Experience the coffee shop. We've got the video here. Experience Eric's coffee shop. Regular perspective. Daily essential. Okay, a customer review right here. And that is how quickly you can do all of that. So now we can go ahead and go to editor. It kind of gives us a little bit of a preview and then it takes it to the full editor. Okay, now we've got our fully functioning website. We've got our homepage, our about us page, contact page, legal notice, privacy policy, and now we've got our gallery. Everything with SEO in there and AI generated images. The last thing you need to do is you'll always want to preview it on desktop and phone just to make sure everything looks okay. You can preview it if you would like and then go ahead and click publish and you are good to go. You can always continue editing after launch as needed, but that is it. You've created and published a website using AI without any manual setup. I wanted to talk about how this compares to traditional website builders. Traditional website builders usually start with templates. You choose a design and then customize it piece by piece. The AI approach flips this process. Instead of designing first, you describe your project and let the AI create the structure for you. This is going to save you so much time, especially if decision making feels exhausting to you. The trade-off is just less control up front, but more speed and momentum. Okay, so it really depends on where you're at in business and how much time you're wanting to spend. We're going to talk about some common mistakes to avoid now. So one common mistake is to expect the AI to produce a perfect final site. The goal is a really strong draft, not perfection. Another mistake is not reviewing the generated content. Always read through the text and make sure it matches your voice and goals. Even slightly changing a couple words in a sentence or the organization of a sentence can really make it feel like your own voice rather than AI generated. Some users also over edit before launching. It's okay to publish a simple version and then improve later on. Now for the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of using IONOS's AI website builder is just speed. You can go from idea to live website in such a short amount of time. Another benefit is just reduced overwhelm. The AI removes many early decisions that stop people from actually starting. Now on the downside, customization options are a bit more limited compared to more advanced builders or custom WordPress setups. Another consideration is that AI generated content still needs human review, right? You're responsible for making everything make sense. But for beginners, these trade-offs are usually very, very acceptable. Now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So like I said, you actually can save up to 94% for your first year if you use our link down below. They've got a bunch of different plans for you and it really depends on what your needs are. I also want to say too, they do have a 30-day money back guaranteed, which is amazing for you to try it out, see if it works for you, and then you can kind of make your final decision from there. Okay, so they've got the essential plan, which is everything you need to host your first website. So this is just $4 per month with a 1-year term, and then it does go to $8 per month. With this, you get one website, get the lowest amount of storage, you get basic CPU resources, you get a free domain for 1 year, free wildcard SSL certificate, one-click installs, daily backup and recovery, and then free 24/7 support. And then the starter plan is just $6 a month for a 1-year term. You get 10 websites with this, and then you get more storage, more databases, and then of course everything else that's in the essential. And then lastly is the plus plan. So this is actually 94% off right now. You can get $1 per month with a 1-year term. term, and then that will go up to $14 a month. So with this, you get unlimited websites, unlimited redundant storage, unlimited databases, enhanced CPU, professional email, unmetered bandwidth, and so much more. Then they've got the ultimate, which is $10 per month right now for the 1-year term. You get unlimited websites, unlimited databases, you get maximum CPU resources, and then of course everything that's in the Plus plan. Okay, so choose a plan that best fits your needs, but overall they're really affordable website builder. If you want to launch a website quickly without technical setup, the IONOS AI website builder is such a good option. It's a great fit if you're starting from scratch, maybe testing an idea, or just want an online presence super fast. If you do need advanced customization, complex integrations, or full control over code, you're probably going to end up outgrowing this tool eventually, but for just getting started, it really does what it's designed to do. I know how intimidating it can feel to start a website, especially when design and writing and SEO all feel like separate skills, but tools like IONOS AI website builder are just going to help lower that barrier and make getting online feel so much more achievable. If you want to check out IONOS yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Really helps us to continue to create free content tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you use AI tools in a simple, practical way to work faster and build smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.